Hey, it's Jordy again, back. Yes, this is a KC Brigade towel. Yes, I live in Kansas City. I know I haven't made any videos in a while. Well, I'm an older guy and I have a family. Everybody knows, if you watch my videos, I got a new little girl. Well, she's 6 months now, and I got a 6-year-old little boy. So we had a great Christmas. But let's get past that. That's what I'm here for. I got myself a new toy for next year. Yep. So let's get to it. Just thought I'd share it with you guys too. Yes, I got an '09 Ego. I love my Ion. I won't ever sell it. I won't ever get rid of it. But I thought it's time to step it up. Yeah, like I was saying, I do live in Kansas City. Somebody was asking me the other day. So I play out of High Performance in Harrisonville, Jaggers. Every once in a while I play at 280. Out in Lawrence, Cameron Field. Sometimes we go out to Buckstock out there and play out there. We practice at a private field. I play for a Big Guns paintball team. Not Big Guns, Big Guns. Sounds like Big Guns though. Let's get to this. So, my fucking camera's not focusing. Oh well. Let's get it open. I got it in Ambers. So, alright, it comes with a sticker, a barrel condom, Ego 9 spare bag. There must be spare parts and shit, so. Clips gun oil. Allen key set. It's really nice. Let's see if that's what it comes with. You guys can see that. Quite a few. Just the ball ended Allen keys. So I'll show you another time, but it's where the ends come to a ball, so you don't have to have it perfectly in the socket to get it straight, perfectly straight to get, so you don't strip your shit out. This camera's not focusing. Alright, well, it comes with a 14-inch shaft 3-barrel 2-piece. Oh. 6.9 3-bore. Comes with a great manual. It's pretty thick. So, yeah. Oh, this is pretty cool right here. It breaks down the whole gun, shows you every part, names every part, all those white circles. It comes over here and it tells you what those parts are. That's pretty cool. All good paintball companies that make guns, they should have good video, or very good manuals. Paintball players aren't the smartest fuckers out there, so shows you how to clean, obviously. Shows you how to program the board. There's a lot of shit on that. Breaks it down pretty good. Obviously shows you all the icons on your screen. Shows you how to adjust the trigger. Shows you how to put the battery in. Oh, that's pretty cool. Shows you how a paintball gun works. Breakdown of the LPR. Breakdown of the high pressure regulator. Another breakdown of your gun. Shows you how to take it apart, pieces, and so on. That's pretty cool. Tells you the size and what every screw is. Tells you every single O-ring you use. Unlike some companies. It's really good. That's a good manual. Yeah, I see. That's a great manual. Haven't even read the son of a bitch yet, but probably will, word for word. But yeah, let me show you something. This is my Ion manual. Yes, it came out 3-4 years ago, whatever, 2006 I think. But look, it's like fucking paper thin. It's like a newspaper, a little magazine. That's it. Shit's not in color. Hardly any fucking pictures at all. Well, doesn't matter. At least you need. This manual is fucking worthless, that's all I know. Didn't help at all, really. It's got a breakdown, but it's a pretty shitty breakdown. But whatever, let's get past this. Shitty manuals for shitty companies, you know how it is. Even though Ion's a good gun, I like it, so pretty much have to rehaul it though to make it a good gun. Can't open it out of the box and be a good gun. Most good companies that make good guns have good manuals. Let's talk about, I don't know, Bob Long. Makes great guns, but shitty fucking manuals, you know? If you even get a manual, so that's besides the point. Got a nice trigger, nice feeling trigger. I haven't shot this gun yet, so I can't tell you if it shoots good or not. Could be the worst shooting gun in the world, but I don't know yet. Haven't shot it. Aesthetically, it looks great. I got it set on training mode. PSP capped it, I don't know, 13 balls per second or something. Haven't really got into it yet, I was just fucking with the board, so. But yeah, that's my 09 Ego. Just wanted to show you guys. Talk about it for a little bit. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And if you got any questions, just ask. If you don't want me to make any videos, request them. If you're a subscriber, I will think about doing them. I'm kind of a busy guy though, but we'll see what we can do. But yeah, I was just going to show you guys this, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. 09 Ego. Thank you.